The general election is getting closer, but the fight over abortions may not be over. Hear how it could impact retention of state Supreme Court justices come November. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Fox 43 News at 9. I'm Jacob Kaufman. Supreme Court elections could be the next abortion battleground. 6 Kansas justices are standing for retention this year. Tonight, we're learning why some say the fight over abortion rights may not be over and how it could impact this year's race for governor. Fox 43's News Capitol Bureau reporter Rebecca Chung explains.
Well, abortion rights could set a new political stage for this election as Kansans decide which justices will keep their seats. If some are removed, the next governor will have a final say on who fills the open slots. Kansas voters will decide whether 6 justices in the state's highest court will keep their seats. Usually, voters have retained the justices' spots on the bench, but come November, abortion rights could take center stage.
It is possible that if a number of Kansas Supreme Court justices were not retained in November, then they would have to be replaced, and that new Supreme Court could rule differently on abortion.
Just last month, almost 60% of Kansas voters rejected an amendment to remove the right to an abortion from the state's constitution. If some justices are voted out, the final say on who fills those slots will be up to the next governor. Both candidates for governor have seemingly opposing views on abortion, while Democratic incumbent Laura Kelly says she sides with abortion rights advocates.
They don't want that government overreach into people's personal lives.
Republican nominee Derek Schmidt says the discussion is not over.
I plan to vote to retain some and not to retain others, and that's all I need to say on that subject. Every Kansan can make their decision.
Now, earlier this year, Republicans brought forward 2 amendments to change how Supreme Court justices are elected. One would have allowed people to elect them directly, and the other would allow the governor to choose. Neither made it out of the legislature this year. For now, reporting at the Capitol, I'm Rebecca Chung.